What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's a new week here at Walmart, down the clearance aisle, and it is really packed. We have new makeup over here, $2 clearance Wet n Wild, $1.75, down from $6.98. Equate instant cleaning spray for sponges and brushes. We still have Bare Republic, it's $3 now. We have more Wet n Wild and e.l.f. makeup ranging from $1 to $2. And then a lot of the sunscreen has continued to be marked down. We have a $2 copper tone down from, I think it was $6.97. It's $2 now. We have the dermatologist recommended Albaline. This is $5. It's a cleanser. We also have the aluminum-free Secret coming in at $4. It was originally $9.97. This one says $7. The other ones say $4. So definitely look for the one that says $4 and scan it. It's limited edition. We also have L'Oreal Age Perfect for $13. There's just so much up here by Neutrogena. L'Oreal, this looks like it comes with the bonus. We have wrinkle and neck moisturizer. We have bases. We have so many items over here. We also have probiotics, down about $5. Over here we have a lot of new seasonal items. Insect killer for $2. This is down from $6.23. It's super huge. We also have calcium hardness increaser by Clorox for $3. We also have water clarifier, scale, metal, and stain control, bed bug stuff. These cute foliage glass planters for $4, down from $7.84. We have some trimmer line for 70 cents. More pest control for $1. More pool care items for $4 and $5. Cuisinart towels, $2 each, down from $2.96. Water bottles for 50 cents. I really like these. I've purchased these in the clear before, and the bottle's just really nice. Has the nice little screw-on lid. Food Saver for $73. Behind me is just tons and tons of back-to-school supplies. I will show those. We're just getting better and better deals. I'm not going to say it's all back-to-school supplies. Like, I mean, we have scissors and we have sticky notes and we have tons of other stuff that are, of course, in that theme, but can be used throughout the year. Ooh, Queen Bee is on clearance. I have her. I have the mini version of her. $19.88, down from $29.88. Neon Cutie. How much is Neon Cutie? $16.85 for Neon Cutie. The $2 Fugglers are still here. The $3 Showdown Bandits. The $9 Feisty Pets. Rolling Stones Rock and Roll Party Game, $6, down from $19.82. For anyone who's ever heard a song. Rainbow High, $26.88. Here's what she comes with. It says sparkle, but it's very Supreme themed, her little t-shirt. $40 for a Micro Machine, down from $49.97. $13 for Hot Wheels, down from $19.97. We have more Rainbow High items. No problem. The little salon is $28.77, down from $34.88. Here's what you get. It says color your hair and your dolls, and this is what we get. Mix the color, watch it foam, rainbow hair, and yours too. Rinse and repeat. These are also on clearance, the LOL Surprise OMG Fashion Journals for $21.12. We get a little watch. The watch unlocks the journal, an invisible ink pen, and a magic black light. Those would be cute little Christmas gifts. $10 glow and roll Mad Gear shoes, where they strap onto your shoes. They're like skates. We still have lots of workout gloves here for $5. These are by Gold's Gym, down from $7.26. Calico Critters for $49.50. $9.95 for a big poster frame. Okay, I'm ready to look over here. Are you guys ready? 75 cents for, is it Friday yet? Paper clips for $1, 25-cent stickers. We have 25-cent and 10-cent folders. Some of them are plastic, some of them are paper. $2 glue, $2 for this box of pencils. This is so cute. A little swing line for $1.50, $3.50 for the coloring pencils. We have other cute erasers up here for $1, 50 cents for some pens, $2.50 for some magnets. Dry erase markers for $4. We have sticky notes, really, really cute. $1.50, $1 for those. $1 erasers, rulers, staplers for $1.50. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but I do have a lot to show and I just want to try to cram it all in one video. 50 cents for some pencils. 75 cents for these. Those are Staedtlers. These are $2. They were originally $9.97. $4.50 for these. These were $17.84. It feels really, really sturdy. I'm thinking that something like this would be really great if you're a couponer, and after I do the video, I'm probably gonna check it out myself because I've been looking for a really durable option. This one is cute for $3. That's kind of my my style right there. Pretty and cute. Those were $14.84 and now they're just $3. We also have pink for $3 and blue, and these were originally $12.97. We also have rainbow. And then we have the hard cardboard ones for $2. We have the little dividers for 25 cents. A jumbo journal for $6. Smaller journals for $2.50. These are lined. All of these Fisker scissors are pretty much down to 75 cents, down from $3.97. This one says $1.50, but the one up here is 75 cents. So these are all just 75 cents, which is a really, really nice deal for Fiskers. We have composition books for 50 cents. One subject notebooks for $1. I've been having my eye on these. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get these. They're so cute. Everyone is grabbing a pair. I really like this little pair too. The ballerina one. And then we have even more over here. A 2-pack for 50 cents. The Westcott scissors for $3. We have 50-cent pencil pouches. More 50-cent ones down here. 25-cent pencil boxes. This is definitely the time to buy. I mean, these are so cute. All of the gummy pencil pouches and bags are still $1, down from $3.97. We have some 50-cent fabric ones down there. extra jumbo washable markers for $2. These are $2 for a pack of glitter. Cute little clipboards for $1.25. School decor for 25 cents. Rit dye for $3. A sticker party pack with 35 stickers for 50 cents. Just 50 cents. Those are really cute, especially if you're into planners. We have some buttons from 50 cents up to $3.50. I got one of these last week. This is a little wick centering tool if you like to make your own candles. There is just so much in here, and these kits are still just $5, which would make a really nice Christmas gift. These are down from $10.88. We still have body butter, sweet honey soap bars, and aromatherapy. This one is so cute for 50 cents. This one was originally $4.97. It just feels really nice. So that is what's on the clearance aisle this week. There are a lot of good items here. A lot of items that we could really stock up on. Definitely pay your clearance aisle a visit. But hey, you guys, that's it for me down the clearance aisle. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. If you did, show lots of love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.